Hey, I'm Aria from Intended, your business mentor. First off, congratulations on your well-deserved promotion. An upward transition is a great feeling, but navigating it can sometimes be challenging. Now, let's break that down and learn how to capitalize on this new responsibility. Starting off, the most important thing is understanding your new role. To be proficient at this, proactively reach out to your seniors and those who influence your role. They can enlighten you about what they expect you to accomplish. For instance, your new role might involve leading a team to reach specific targets. As we move forward, we stumble upon another crucial aspect: building effective relationships with your colleagues. By connecting with your team, you'll improve the team's dynamic significantly. Dine with them, exchange casual talks during breaks, or attend company-sponsored outings with them. As their leader, knowing your team members' strengths will be beneficial to your common goals. In your new role, you might need to transition your leadership style. It's time to change gears from being laid back to becoming a proactive supervisor. For this, take time to consider what kind of leader your team members need you to be. After all, effective leadership is about adjusting to the team's needs, not the other way around. Establishing clear expectations for your team members is an absolute must. Explicitly communicate what you foresee their roles to be and how you'll be quantifying their success. For example, if you've been chosen to lead a special project, communicate that you expect timely completion of tasks and that you'll be checking in frequently to ensure progress. As a leader, people will take cues from your actions, hence demonstrating the ideal work ethos is imperative. From punctuality to honesty, exemplify the qualities you wish to instill in your crew. Finally, always be open for feedback from both your boss as well as your team. They can provide vital insights on your strengths and the areas you can improve upon. In conclusion, thriving in your new position is merely about understanding the expectations, fostering healthy relationships, adapting your leadership style, setting clear expectations, leading by action, and constantly improving. Easy enough, right? With these, you're already on the pathway to make your new role a resounding success. Thank you for listening, and if you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to our channel.
Intended. Make work worth it.